Welcome to Maranhão, a state in northeastern Brazil where the unexpected awaits. From the vast, otherworldly dunes of Lençóis Maranhenses to the emerald embrace of the Amazon rainforest, Maranhão is a testament to the boundless creativity of the natural world. Our journey begins in the heart of Maranhão, where the landscape transforms into something truly extraordinary. Stretching as far as the eye can see, a sea of shimmering white dunes rises from the earth. The Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. These are no ordinary dunes, sculpted by the relentless trade winds. Some tower over 40 meters high, their peaks rippling like waves frozen in time. During the rainy season, fresh water collects in the valleys between the dunes, forming thousands of pools of astonishing shades of blue and green. Fish, their scales catching the sun, dart through the clear water, while on the banks graceful egrets stalk their prey. Life finds a way to thrive even in this seemingly inhospitable landscape. Leaving the ethereal beauty of the dunes behind, we journey north to the banks of the mighty Maranhão River, where the historic town of Alcantara awaits. Founded in the 17th century, Alcantara stands as a testament to a bygone era, its cobblestone streets and crumbling mansions whispering tales of Portugal's colonial past. As we stroll through the town's narrow streets, we are greeted by a riot of colors. Bougainvillea spills over weathered walls, its vibrant hues a stark contrast to the faded pastel shades of the colonial buildings. The air is heavy with the scent of tropical flowers, and the sound of laughter drifts from open doorways. The town is nestled amidst a landscape of breathtaking beauty, a tapestry of lush mangroves, verdant hills, and the sparkling waters of the Maranhão River. We venture now into the very heart of one of Earth's most vital organs, the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of greenery is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing entity that plays a crucial role in maintaining the planet's health. Here in the eastern reaches of Maranhão, the forest reigns supreme, a vast emerald ocean stretching as far as the eye can see. The sheer scale of this natural wonder is awe-inspiring, with its endless canopy forming a green blanket that covers the land. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of unseen creatures. Every breath you take is filled with the rich, earthy scent of the forest, a reminder of the life that thrives here. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. These beams of light create a mesmerizing dance of shadows and highlights, illuminating the vibrant green foliage below. This is a world of staggering biodiversity, home to more species of plants and animals than any other terrestrial ecosystem on Earth. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every inch of this forest teems with life. Monkeys chatter from the canopy, their calls echoing through the stillness. These intelligent creatures navigate the treetops with ease, their presence a testament to the adaptability of life in this dense environment. A flash of color catches our eye. A hummingbird, its iridescent feathers shimmering like jewels, hovers momentarily before darting off into the dense undergrowth. This tiny bird with its rapid wing beats is a marvel of nature's engineering. Yet this fragile ecosystem faces increasing threats from deforestation and climate change. The balance of this intricate web of life is delicate, and the impact of human activity is a growing concern. Protecting this invaluable resource is crucial for the health of our planet. Our journey takes us now to the edge of the sea, where land and water meet in a labyrinth of tangled roots and shimmering waterways, the mangroves of Maranhão. These remarkable ecosystems, often overlooked and underappreciated, are amongst the most productive on Earth. Their gnarled, salt-tolerant roots provide a vital nursery for a multitude of marine species, while their dense foliage offers shelter and nesting sites for birds and other wildlife. The mangroves of Maranhão are not just a haven for wildlife, they are also a lifeline for the local communities who depend on them for their livelihoods. Fishermen cast their nets, hoping for a bountiful catch of crabs, shrimp and fish, while others gather shellfish from the muddy banks. Prepare to be captivated as we enter a realm of unparalleled natural beauty and wonder. Here, the mighty Parnaíba River, after a journey of over 1,400 kilometers through diverse landscapes and ecosystems, finally meets the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, creating the awe-inspiring Delta do Parnaíba. This vast delta, a stunning mosaic of islands, sandbars, and meandering waterways, is a testament to the relentless power of nature to shape and sculpt the land over millennia. Here, Fresh water from the river and salt water from the ocean mingle, creating a unique and vibrant ecosystem that teems with life, both above and below the water's surface. The delta is a haven for avian life, with its rich and diverse habitats providing sanctuary for countless bird species. It serves as a vital stopover point for migratory species making their long journeys across the Americas, offering them a place to rest and refuel. Dolphins, their sleek bodies glistening in the sunlight, frolic in the shallows, adding to the delta's enchanting allure. Meanwhile, caiman, their eyes just visible above the waterline, lurk in the shadows, embodying the delta's wild and untamed spirit. The Delta do Parnaíba is a place of constant change, where the forces of nature are always at work, reshaping the landscape. It stands as a powerful reminder of the dynamic forces that shape our planet, a living testament to the ever-changing nature of our world. Leaving the watery world of the Delta behind, we venture inland towards the heart of Maranhão, where a different kind of beauty awaits. Rising from the surrounding plains like the spine of a giant creature, the Serra da Gurgueia mountain range dominates the landscape. As we ascend into the mountains, the landscape transforms before our eyes. Gone are the lush forests and verdant plains of the lowlands, replaced by a rugged terrain of rocky outcrops, deep canyons, and scrubby vegetation. The Serra da Gurgueia is a haven for those seeking adventure and solitude. Our journey takes us now to a land of seasonal extremes, a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the waters. The Baixada Maranhense, a vast floodplain in the heart of Maranhão, is a testament to the power of water to transform the landscape. During the rainy season, this region is transformed into a vast inland sea, its plains submerged beneath meters of water. As the rains subside and the dry season takes hold, the waters recede, revealing a landscape reborn. Birds drawn by the abundance of food flock to the region in their thousands, their calls filling the air. This seasonal cycle of flood and drought has shaped the lives of the people who call this region home. Our journey through Maranhão would not be complete without paying our respects to the guardians of this land, the indigenous people who have called it home for centuries. These tribes have a deep connection to the land, a bond that has been nurtured and preserved through countless generations. Deep within the heart of the state's forests live the Guajajara and Awa Guaja tribes, whose cultures and traditions are as rich and diverse as the ecosystems they inhabit. Their lives are inextricably linked to the rhythms of the natural world, relying on the forest for sustenance, shelter, and spiritual fulfillment. The Guajajara, known as the guardians of the forest, have taken on the responsibility of protecting their ancestral lands. They patrol the forest, ensuring that their territory remains untouched by those who seek to exploit it. From the encroaching threats of illegal logging and land grabbing, they stand as a bulwark, defending their home with unwavering resolve. Their intimate knowledge of the forest makes them formidable guardians, capable of navigating and understanding the intricate web of life that thrives within. Their efforts are crucial in the fight to preserve this vital ecosystem, ensuring that the forest remains a sanctuary for future generations. The Awa Guaja, one of the last remaining uncontacted tribes in the world, live a more secluded existence. Their isolation has allowed them to maintain a way of life that is largely untouched by modern influences. They reside in traditional housing, deep within the forest, living in harmony with their surroundings. However, their way of life is under increasing pressure from the outside world. The encroachment of modern society threatens their existence, posing challenges that could alter their lives forever. Our journey culminates on the edge of the continent, where the land surrenders to the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Maranhão's coastline, stretching for hundreds of kilometers, is a tapestry of golden beaches, towering dunes, and verdant mangroves. The beaches of Maranhão are a sight to behold. Fine white sand stretches as far as the eye can see, kissed by the turquoise waters of the Atlantic. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, casting welcome shade from the tropical sun. This is a place to relax, to soak up the sun, and to lose oneself in the beauty of the natural world. As our journey through the natural wonders of Maranhão draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the otherworldly beauty of Lençóis Maranhenses to the vibrant tapestry of the Amazon rainforest, Maranhão is a land of staggering diversity and unparalleled beauty. It is a place where the natural world still reigns supreme, a reminder of the preciousness of our planet and the importance of preserving it for future generations. From the bustling streets of São Luís to the remote villages of the Amazon, the people of Maranhão welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles. So if you are seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with the natural world, look no further than Maranhão.